What's up, guys? This is your boy O, back with another video. Lace and Fitted is a channel, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit them buttons, like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that. All right, so if you see the description, you already know what this video is about. So let's get straight to it. Air Max 1, PATTA, Monarch colorway. Guess that's the color they're calling this, Monarch. It's more like an orange color. Perfect for the fall, which is the season we're in. So let's get to it. Quick little 360 view. Typical Air Max 1 shape. Only difference is the wave pattern on the side, which was a nice touch, something different. If you like different, these are for you. I copped these off the off PATTA's website. It was a very easy process for once. Only took me about I'd say 5 minutes to cop between the wait time and all that. My wait time was only a few minutes. I got in, had a few hiccups checking out, but made it to the end, and here they are. Since I first seen pictures, I wanted these bad just because of that wave. I think that's super dope that they did that. So let's start with the colorway. So you got sail bottom, monarch or orange. This is like a gray color. Then you got the silver mesh. This is, I'd say this is nubuck, all on the wave pattern, the check, and all through here. It has the gray laces in them right now. They do come with a set of sail laces, which will be the color laces I'll most likely rock with them. These are for the personal, my size. That's the bottom of the shoe. You have like a burgundy-ish brown type of color. That monarch / orange again. This is like a light. Brown. Yeah, that's the shoe right there. These did release on sneakers already. Yesterday, actually. These just came in the mail today, though. But I did get the special boxing. It's iffy on if all pairs come with special boxing, because when you buy these, they did have a little disclaimer that said not all pairs with it, but I did get that. And the bracelet, this is the bracelet. Silver color, got the flag, the swoosh, PATTA charm. So that's the shoe. Let me show y'all the box real quick. That's also the bag it came in, or pouch. So here's the box. Team PATTA right there. It says love for all. So if you were trying to cop on PATTA's website, you know, that was the question they were asking. Bunch more different sayings on it. Inside, shoe paper. As you can see, got a fist on it. Three fists actually. But yeah, that's the box. Pretty dope. Last time I checked, the resale was around, I think, $3 something. Special box and no special box, the prices were around the same. So, you know, if you care for a box and the bracelet, you'll pay a little extra. It wasn't that big of a difference. I would want to say like $20, $30 difference between the two. That was just StockX prices I checked. But not too bad of a price right now. I'm pretty sure it'll go up in the future, so if you want to cop, better cop now. I did have them on feet already, tried them on. They are true to size, regular Air Max size. Another thing on the inside, it says PATTA on the sole. But yeah, the on foot is next, so stay tuned for that.